Hi, my name is Mary Kalend and welcome to your 7-minute, 7 days chair yoga journey. This is day 5 and this is called Just Love. So we're embracing our heart chakra with heart opening postures today. So if you'd like to see more in the future, please support me with my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Let's get started. Get comfortable on your chair. And it's about our heart space, so unite your palms in front of your heart, lift your sternum, connect with your thumbs. Melt your shoulders down, drag your navel in and up. Take a deep full breath in, lift up your shoulders. Exhale, melt them down and away from your ears. You may close your eyes or soften your gaze just to connect with your heart here, your Anahata chakra. Feel the power of your heart, your energy space. Take a breath into your chest. And when you exhale, feel the energy expand into each cell of your body. One more time, embrace that self-love and compassion in your heart. And exhale, let it expand through your entire body and beyond. And flutter your eyes open, arms by your side. Right away, inhale, mountain, reach your arms up. Exhale, hold here and breathe. Drag your shoulders down, rotate your biceps in, triceps forward. Lift up through your heart a little more. Take a breath in, gaze up, connect your palms. Exhale, back bend with reverse namaskar. Place your thumbs onto the nape of your neck. Beam your elbows up. Lean back. So opening up your heart even more. You got this. Push your bones forward. Core is engaged. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Now let's embrace the ragdoll here. Widen your feet, opposite elbows with your hands, and maybe you shake your head. Loosen up your neck muscles even more. Switch your clasp. Release your finger pads down. Toe your feet together, almost again to hip width distance, please. In a halfway lift, either press yourself up onto the floor or use the legs of your chair to extend your heart out and forward. Loop your shoulders away from your ears. Pull your belly button in. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, fold. Now let's find a flow. Connect your breath with your movement. Inhale, mountain, reach up overhead. Exhale, back bend with reverse namaskar. Take your time. Open up your chest. Inhale, mountain, reach up. And exhale, fold. In a halfway lift, lengthen out your spine. Exhale, fold. One more time, come up. Inhale, mountain. And exhale, hands to your heart space. Cool. Let's find some seated cat and cow. Place your hands onto your legs. Inhale, cow pose. Pull your shoulders down, lift up your heart, gaze up. Exhale, cat. Snap your belly button in and let your arms come a little more forward. So you're really rounding into your mid and upper spine. Inhale, cow. Lift up your heart, your sternum, reach high. Exhale, cat pose. Pull your navel in. One more time. Inhale, cow. Open up. And exhale, cat. Awesome. Come back up. Press your palms down into your seat and extend your legs out and forward. Take a breath in. Lift up your chest. And then if you want to, exhale, lift up your hips as well. Point your tippy toes down. Core is super strong. Option to gaze back and tilt your head a little more back. One more inhale. Lift up a little higher. Exhale, come back to your seat. Great job. Now, bring your right foot to the inside of your left leg, almost like a Janu Sirsasana. And press your left foot down for foundation. Now, your left elbow comes right onto your leg. Take your breath in, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean over. Soften your shoulder. Press back with your other knee down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, twist. So twist to your left side. Hook your left elbow around your chair. Open up your chest. Soften your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, come back forward in the switch. Bring your left foot to the inside of your right leg. Root down through your left foot, elbow down. Inhale, lift up your left hand. Exhale, lean over to your right. Now loosen up your shoulder. Neck is soft. Press down through your left knee. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, twist. Plant your left hand onto the outside of your leg and then hook your right arm around your chair. When you do so, lift up through your sternum, keep your chest open and your spine long. One more deep inhale. Exhale, come back forward. Bring your foot down, and now let's find a puppy pose very briefly. So you can keep your chair as it is, whatever gives you the best space, and just walk your feet back. Keep your knees loose here and soft, and really press onto your chair to let your heart open. Oh, what a nice stretch in your spine and neck. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. Take one more inhale, one more exhale. Nice, then slowly come back forward. Find a seat again. Hands to your heart. One more deep inhale. Feel your heart radiate. Exhale. Namaste.